Good morning everybody, CryptoStrang here. Following on from previous videos, we talk about real estate and crypto and blockchain coming together with real estate. Obviously mentioned quite a few projects lately on different videos, but we've just covered Landshare, Bricks Finance, and now this morning we're going to talk about Labsgroup. So there is many out there. I briefly mentioned some other projects the other day on the Bricks Finance video, but today we're going to talk about Labsgroup. Now I won't be doing any more videos for real estate because I've exhausted all the ones I want to look at. This project I've been reading up for the last week. I've actually joined their site. I will be doing some investments. It's currently ranked 987 with the market cap just over $8 million. Volume last 24 hours is good, 2.7 million. Now circulating supply, we've basically got like 21% of it out there. It's not fantastic. See the price. I bought this literally about 4 days ago, and you can see today we're up nearly 25%, 0.003. But literally a few weeks ago it was all-time low of 0.002. Now, back last year we actually had 14 cents. Now, when we go through the project, go on their website, labsgroup.io. Now, obviously it's never financial advice. It is high risk, as we all know, especially these kind of projects. It's still quite lowly ranked, but they've actually got a general use case and general purpose. But as we spoke about Landshare and My Bricks, yeah, they look fantastic. A huge amount of potential through the teams behind them, but they've got to develop this year. They've got to keep developing, haven't they? Now, you go there, grow your wealth with Labs today. Basically, obviously gives the Labs token great usage, but you can see there different hotels you can invest in. You know, they've got one there in Indonesia, for example, this one here, and you can see that at the moment they've got 70% of the investment already raised. So it's actually trying to raise 50,000 USDT, and they've got 35,144. It gives you all the different details. So how does Labs crowdfunding work? So I've joined the site. I will be investing in it. Okay, let's see how it goes. But also on the token, I've got myself some tokens as well. I'm going to link the tokens with the site. So you can get Labs, I say, on Gate.io. There's a link below if you want to join Gate.io and get some Labs, entirely up to you. But just if not, just keep it on your radar. So in fact, we had 14 cents last year. I know the market at the moment is really down at the moment, but if they keep developing, again, it's another project that has the potential. I know we speak about a lot of projects which have potential. There's no guarantee. But when you get a project with a general use case, it's obviously the biggest hurdle is making that. So, you know, states there, how does Labs works? As I say, carefully sourced property investment projects. Okay, real estate tokenization. We tokenize real estate projects and make property investments accessible and affordable to everyone. Invest and receive a tokenized share in the real estate project of your choice. Stake and earn daily rewards. Labsgroup disrupts the traditional real estate market and creates a smart way for everyday investors to grow their wealth in quality assets. Now, what I like about Labs, it's got what they call the gains model. I don't know if you're aware of this. It's basically Labs tokens with actual utility tokens. Now, gains stands for governance, access, basically to the projects, incentives, nomination rights, and staking. Now, staking is obviously huge, especially when it's at that price. To me, it's fantastic to stake. Now, you can see there, hassle-free global investment, flexible liquidity, trade and liquidate anytime on Labs digital exchange platform 24/7. Okay, invest with just 100 USDT. Okay, and a secure investment. And it talks about there about crowdfunding. Labs aims to fractionalise real estate, make it more accessible to everyone, ready to tokenise your asset and raise capital. So they've got an excellent frequently asked questions on their site. But also what I noticed was they're literally going to do this live AMA, which is great to see with the CEO. Now that's really important. They're very transparent and honest. So it's good to see. Again, you want to see they're constantly developing. I'm sure many people ask the questions on there. I will be joining it just to have a see about the project more. Now, I've got here Crowdfunding Platforms now live. So I'll say I've joined the site. You can refer your friend to investor and see rewards. I'm just going through the KYC part of things. Okay. Now, goes through, you've got all the different white papers. You've got the Discord community. This is what I basically found out about this project. Well, I was looking into real estate projects and actually come across this on Discord. I was looking into it more. So I just think when you scroll through the site, you see so much potential. It talks there about the result that's going to basically open this month or next month as well. So there's a lot of going on, okay? And that's what I really like about it. Now, states you invest in real estate. As I say, you've got a lot. Obviously, the portfolio is not huge at the moment, but over time, if they speak about the other projects, we spoke about Landshare as well as My Bricks. Once they've got a huge portfolio, then the sky is literally the limit, isn't it? But only time will tell, okay, how they develop. But the fact they're going worldwide does speak volumes for the project. You see at the moment it's all in Asia, Indonesia and Singapore. as they develop and go worldwide, again, who knows where this project could end up. Now, if you can ask questions, how to sign up, which wallets are accepted. States there, MetaMask, that's how you connect it. I spoke about MetaMask many times before. So you can see up at the top right, I've joined it. Got here, I've actually done the KYC. I'm just waiting for them to accept it. How to sign up. I have more than one wallet. How do I change my current wallet address? How does KYC work? How do I delete my account? It's got everything you'd ever want, okay, about the project. Now, I say it's extremely high risk, so you really must do your own research. Only time will tell with this project, but as I say, I'm going to actually invest in it. We'll do an update video as it progresses and as my account grows, okay? So I'm just switching over to KYC to go through. Now, their white paper is very in-depth. You know, you can scroll through here and you can see all the different parts. It covers absolutely everything about the project. Now, the bit we're really always concerned about is the Labs token economics. DeFi has been the latest development in blockchain. We've seen massive growth since 2020. So Labs is taking one step further by combining aspects of DeFi with real estate transactions. Okay. Now, the Labs utility token Labs, for the first time, decentralized governance will come into real estate digitalization and crowdfunding platform. Labs will democratize certain aspects of the platform, which will give Labs token holders and voting rights. Again, we talked about that gains model to determine how the platform is run and the types of investment opportunities available. A vote is part where the Labs has made some votable items, which will put up to the community vote. That's great to see. They're engaging with the community, making it decentralized. So holding Labs tokens in your wallet will give you priority access to real estate investments. Okay, again, obviously they want people to hold the token to obviously use it to get the real estate, but obviously gives the token usage and holding. It'll hold its value, won't it, if this project keeps growing. Instead of having to fight for the earliest round, the largest discount, we'll put you first in line to receive this before traditional investors have access. As a holder of Labs tokens, you'll receive incentives such as discount on real estate investments based on how many Labs token you hold in your wallet. Holders of Labs tokens will be able to nominate projects to the platform for investments. Now, the staking is obviously something really important. Users can join a decentralized rewards pool of Labs corporate net profits, in which we use 80% of our net profits the first year in a token buyback, which we distribute to the stakers of Labs tokens directly to their staking wallets. So that is absolutely huge. Again, making people hold the token, but giving you fantastic rewards. In order to make staking fair for everyone, we will tally the amount of which time each wallet has staked and will distribute the dividends evenly across the wallets. Okay, and that's really good. Talks about Labs bring out their own stable token, the Lab security token. I say there's so much. And even talking about NFTs, Lab will use NFTs to represent the physical assets. NFTs can represent anything from real estate fund, commercial building, single asset, like home, all the way down to rooms in a hotel property. So if they're getting involved in NFTs, the type of NFTs properties is, say, single homes or other types. So it's got different parts. It's not just literally the building and doing an NFT of, but all the parts inside. And they scroll through. There is so much information, as I say, you know, it's just incredible. Talk about partnerships. Different ones there you can see, but I say read the white paper. It does take a lot, but you can see all the partnerships they've already got, and obviously over time I'm sure they'll get more. So it does really mean a project with massive potential. Okay, now I think also the team is really good. If I just quickly show you the team, I was quite impressed with the team. You go about us and you can see everything there. It's just got a lot on it, really. And the leadership team, as I say, you got here the chairman. Okay. Basically, he's extremely, obviously, been in the business a long time. His family owns 19 hotel properties around the world, including a few in Hong Kong, through the HODL group. He is an entrepreneurial spirit. You can see there's obviously a guy who's very into the properties, etc. The CEO, Yun Wong, who's doing the AMA. Again, he's an entrepreneur who takes special interest in dedication blockchain. So he's obviously very proactive in it. And the fact he's the CEO, obviously, it's really good when you get a CEO interacting with the community on an AMA. You've got the president there. He's involved in several real estate developments in Southeast Asia. That's good to see. You've got the technical officer, 7 years of technical manager. It's just everyone's got their own, obviously, titles. Quite a lot of people. You can see there. Okay, so I like to see a real solid team behind it with general usage. Again, you can see the LinkedIn profiles. That's what I like. They've actually been in the industry and they know what they're talking about. That's really good. So let's just keep an eye on Labs. Time will tell. I say it's just in the top 1,000. It's on nearly 17,000 watch list. So quite a few people looking at this project. I think the token's got a lot of potential, even though we only got 21% supply out there. So Another one to keep an eye on, but as I say, just these 3 projects involved with real estate will be the ones I'll be keeping an eye on from now. I've looked at so many. Okay, and I'm sure there'll be new ones coming out soon, but these were the 3 that I'm certainly keeping an eye on. So I've obviously got my land share, the My Bricks, Labs. I'm going to get some more Labs personally and just see how it goes. So thanks very much. As usual, anyone need help, email me, info@cryptostrain.com, all my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Cheers now. Bye.